uthi uNkulunkulu asenze umuntu
God
ngomfanekiso
says He
wethu
has created a man in His image
abuse.
to reign over,
One, abuse inyoni zezulu.
firstly, over the birds of the
Kusho ukuthini
heaven.
lokho?
And what
Kusho
does
ukuthi
this refer
umuntu
to?
unikeze ukubusa
That a
umkhathi.
person has been referred to
Makukhulunywa
reign
ngenyoni
over the
zezulu,
earth.
umkhathi
So
ubuswa
as the heavens,
umuntu.
it is reigned
2,
by a person.
akabuse emhlabeni
And he
wonke.
should rule over the world.
3, akabuse phezu
And
kwenhlanzi.
rule over the fish in the sea.
Kunama altars agqilaza abantu,
There are
umkhathi
certain altars
umhlaba,
that go over
ulwandle.
people. It is the air, the land, and beneath the sea.
kuyenzeka umuntu engabanjwa i-altar
Sometimes someone
lakubo
is not held back by the altars of their
kodwa abanjwa
ancestors,
i-altar
but being
lomkhathi.
held up at the altar of the
Lithi
nation.
iBhayibheli uDaniel wake
So
wathandaza.
as Daniel prayed,
Uma ethandaza inkinga yangabanjwa eBhabhiloni kodwa
the
yabanjwa
problem was not
umkhathi.
held in Babylon, but was held in the sky.
So umuntu mengazazi ukuthi ubusaphi,
So if you do not realize your reign,
ilawo
territory,
usathana azomhlasela
that is
ngakhona.
when the enemy will strike you.